Sauce on me. I got drip. Flood the wrist. It's homage to the.
Hey kings and queens, welcome back to the channel. It's the girl Aneke. How y'all doing or whatever? How y'all doing or whatever? Hey, yay, hey, hey. Hey kings and queens, welcome back to the channel. It's the girl Aneke here on Aneke Budgets, and on here we do cash stuff and budgeting, paying our for that and mind our business. And baby, not necessarily in them 4 orders. So if that is something that you are interested in, go ahead, subscribe, join the family by liking the video and turn on your notification bell, because we would love to have you here. Come on, baby, come on to this side of town, because hello somebody, okay? So as you guys can see, we are doing a weekly closeout because baby, okay, when I tell you eat, I'm on my grind in September. Talk to me nice, okay? So no shade, no tea. Let's close out this week with me. Let's get into the video. Okay, y'all, so per usual, I've zoomed y'all into my business because I would love to have you here all up in my business. But I ain't gonna lie to y'all, this might be like a 3-minute video because baby, the way how I eat and ate down this week should be studied. Okay, I did super well. I'm super proud, super excited of what I was able to accomplish. And so yeah guys, with that being said, let's get into the video. Let's do all the things because it's not going to be a long time. And we got the red Sharpie out to show you girls and guys the no spend. And honestly, I'm bleeding red across this board. I'm bleeding red. Okay, so the first day was September 22 over here. And baby, what do? We hit a no spend. We're going to start off the week right. And we're going to do a what? A no spend. Because that's what we had. We had a no spend day. Oh, isn't that cute? We had a no spend day on the 22nd, and I love the seed. I know y'all do too. So you know what we're gonna do? Continue it on the 23rd. We had a what? A no spend, because baby, when I tell you I'm on my grind this week, I'm doing crazy work. I'm handing out blessings every day of the week this week to myself by not so overspending and spending too much of my money. Now, I did have to pay. Let me close up little baby. Okay, let me close up little baby. Let me close her up because I did have to make some payments on here. All right. So, oh, where's my little thing? Found my tweezer. Okay, y'all, so like I was saying, I feel like my roommate's is cooking because it just smells like someone turned on the stove outside, even though I can't tell because I haven't been out there. But we have a common area and I feel like there's food being, you know, heat on pots in ovens and stuff. So yeah, but on the 24th I did have to pay a bill, y'all. I did have to pay a bill on this date. And that was my Apple Care bill, and that was in the amount of $8.01. Okay, and then also on the 24th, I don't know, spend day, because y'all thought, no, when I say I'm bleeding this week red, all right, you already know what I'm talking about. So we had a no spend day as well for this. Come on. There we go. We had a no spend day on the 24th as well. And because do what brings you joy is on the 25th, I just said, listen, you said it right. So we're going to continue. We have a no spend day on this day as well. You know, because we just want to make sure that do what brings you joy. It means that we are keeping our money. Now on the 26th, we had a no spend day. I'm telling y'all, this entire week, I ain't even going front y'all, this entire week is a no spend. We have Life is Too Short, blocking off number 27, but it don't matter because what is a no spend? It's a no spend day. And then on the 28th, again, like I said, no spend. You know, I want to shout out to the budgeting community. I want to shout out to me. Shout out to me for staying inside my house. Shout out to me for eating at the DFAC so I don't have to spend my own money because they're already taking it out my check anyways. Okay. Shout out to me for not being pressured into doing and to buying things that I don't need. Shout out to me for being a real one. Shout out to me for money management, okay? And that's it for the video, because like I said, there wasn't much to this week except that I was bleeding rent and doing my thing, okay? And yeah, we got 2 more days to account for, and I'm gonna do that in the closeout. But y'all, look at my month. Look at my month. Look at my calendar. Look at my calendar. I'm talking dirty work. I'm talking crazy to anybody who want to come step to me, because look at my amount of no spend days. Oh my God. Anyways, y'all, that is it for the video. Like I said, not a long one, not too much in it, because baby, we did our damn thing this week, and we really can't be, you know, popping stickers, because we ain't did nothing to be popping them off like that. So thank you guys so much for watching. My name is Aneke. I hope you guys enjoyed the short, sweet, maybe, you know, whatever it is. But guess what? It is a no spend week video. And yeah, I will see y'all in October to basically start our 4th quarter. We're gonna be talking about my 3rd quarter net worth, baby, which is looking good, okay? And we are going to basically talk about our goals and what we want to accomplish. So there's great things coming, obviously, starting in the 4th quarter. And I've already talked about my plan to 12,000. If you haven't seen that video, go ahead and check it out. So much wonderful things are happening, and the check is getting pretty in October too. So much things. So go ahead, check out those videos, and look forward to the other videos. And yeah, look forward to the month of closeout, because I'm gonna be popping. I popped off in September. We got 2 more days, but I popped off already. I'm sorry, I popped off already. Y'all see what's up. And so yeah, without further ado, I will talk to y'all later. Okay, all right, bye.
How you wanna do it? How you wanna get it? I'm out that, out of my mind. Can't even talk, can't even walk. Bad little thing.